Hello everyone, Dr. Rashid here. I hope that you are all fine and we are looking forward to seeing you tomorrow to start our foundation part of the full course. It is important that you guys know how to access. There will be no separate link shared to you for the course. So to access the course, it will be live teaching with the online practice. You can attend the course anytime during the meeting from your home distantly. If you want to visit the academy, you can go and attend the course face to face in Plab Guide Campus, Lahore. Now, it is important that you all know how you can access a course. You need to log in. I will start the process and show you from the beginning. So, come onto the website, click on login, and then add your credentials and click login. After that, it will bring you to the my courses pages. Anyhow, if you don't see, then you can click on my courses. It will show you the list of the courses that you guys are enrolled into. Now, as a full course candidate, you are enrolled into two courses. One is the Plab-2 full course, and the other one is a Plab-2 smart course. When you come onto the my courses, the course that you want to click on is the Plab-2 full course. Plab-2 full course, our Plab-2 full course is divided into two parts. One is a 10 days foundation part of the full course that shows as Plab-2 full course. After you have completed your 10 days, you need to join Plab-2 Smart course. Anyhow, the Plab-2 Smart course can be attended only face to face within the campus. You can come to the UK or you can go to Lahore for this smart course. Now, talking about the Plab-2 full course or the foundation part of the full course, what you will see is when you click on the Plab-2 full course, it will take you to the course area, and here you can see join class tab, watch recording tab, then day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and so on till day 10. So all the activities are kind of predetermined, and you will know what you will be doing on day 1, day 2, day 3, and similarly till day 10. Okay, so there will be no separate link shared for the meeting. You guys need to come and click on join class. This is the button for joining the class. And if you miss any class, if you want to go through the recording, all the classes are recorded and they are added into the cloud every day after midnight. So any class that you did today will be added tonight in the cloud and will be accessible for everyone unlimited time if you want to go through and revisit what you have been doing, or if you miss a session and you want to see what was done during the day, you can always click on this black tab where it says watch recording. When you click on this, it will show you all the recordings that are available from the beginning. You can see all the recordings are available because I'm recording, that's why you cannot see. But if you log into your account, uh, you will be able to see here. There you go, the list is available now, so you can watch all the recordings um, which we have available during the previous courses. It is a good idea to watch the recording so that you can see, you can get the idea about Plab 2, and you will be better prepared before you join. Okay, that's how you can watch the recordings. And if you want to join the class, you simply click on this join class button. It will take you to the meeting. Now when you click on this, It will ask you options about microphone or listen only mode. So it is important that you click on microphone, because if you listen only, you won't be able to talk to the tutor. So it is important that you click on microphone, and if you don't want to talk, you can always mute it
You are
from
currently the only person in this conference.
you can mute from here. But if you do not click on microphone, you will not be able to talk, and then you will have to leave the meeting and join the meeting again. That will waste the time. So this is all about how you can join the course, and how you can take the maximum benefit. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask us. Okay, and we are looking forward to see you all after this foundation part of the course is finished. Make sure that you stay connected, you continue communication, and start preparing and making a journey to the UK, and plan your course, Plab-2 smart course, in advance. And if you have any question, please reach us in the WhatsApp group or directly to the admins. Thank you.